Is your Ryobi string trimmer charger blinking red? I'll explain what it actually means. So if you plug your battery into the charger and you get a single red flashing light, if you look on the charger here on the left hand side, it says plus or minus and a little heat signal. If you don't know what it means, you mostly think, what does that sign mean? It actually means that the battery is currently too hot, too cold, or deeply discharged. So in most cases it's normally too hot, so if you've left it out in the sun or something like that, you plug it in, it'll go to a flashing red light. Bring it indoors, let it cool down to normal temperature, so just ambient room temperature should do it, and then plug it in and it should then start to get a steady red light and a flashing green and then start to charge. So don't panic if you see your charging blinking red and no green light coming on. Just let the temperature of the battery come to normal levels and then you should be good to go on your charge. You could even leave it in the charger while it comes back to normal temperatures, but it's nothing to worry about. It's just that the battery's gone too hot or too cold. So hopefully that explains what your Ryobi string trimmer charger blinking red means, and if it does, smash the like, smash the subscribe, and thank you for watching.